Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can record something or record your screen with OBS. For that you have to open OBS first. So after the OBS has been on, click on optimize just for recording and click on next. Then you can choose your canvas size and FPS. So I'm going to choose the default settings and click on next. Then I'm going to click apply settings. So the OBS settings, default settings will be added. Now you have to click on maximize. So I have maximized, and here you can see many options, but for a simple recording you don't have to access these many options. Just click on, you have to you can like add a scene, but as there is a default scene I'm going to use that, and you have to just click on plus and plus in the sources option. Click on that and click on display capture. If you want to capture a game, then click on game capture. I'm gonna capture my display, so I'm gonna click on display capture. So here I'm gonna click on create new and click on OK. So it will again ask for my display, which display I want to screen record. So I'm gonna select display 1. As I have only one monitor, but you can have multiple monitor, you can click on display 2 or 3, then click on OK. So as you can see, the screen is showing here, like how my screen record will show. Sometimes it might be smaller than the actual canvas size. In that case, if you have to click right click and like click on transform and click on fit to screen, so it will like be similar with the canvas size. So once you have like set up this whole thing, all you have to do is just click on start recording. So the screen record will start and you can record anything here. So I'm gonna click on refresh. Sometimes I'm just recording this for showing an example. So for example, I wanted to record this thing only, the refresh thing. So after your recording has been done, just come here and click on stop recording. So the recording will be done, but it is like completed, but it is not showing where. So for that you have to go to settings and like find the page where it has been saved. Click on output. Let's check. So the recording path, it is like showing here where I have it. It is showing in videos folder. So let's go to videos folder. So let's first go to here and this computer, and here is the videos folder. In here you have like this folder, videos. So in videos you can find the recording. So as you can see here, so the screen recording, my recording has been done and it is showing here. So that's how you can record a video with OBS. I mean the screen record with OBS. You can also record games in this way as well. For that you have to just click on game capture and do the same thing. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.